Hi everyone, today we are unboxing the JFA Tactical Folding Antenna. This is a dual band antenna, perfect for handheld radios, amateur radio, and emergency use. Let's check it out. Inside we have the antenna itself, a rubber O-ring adapter for secure mounting, a Velcro strip for folding and carrying. Lightweight, compact, and looks very solid. Now let's take a closer look at the design. This antenna features a foldable tactical design with telescopic metal section. Its matte black finish gives it a durable yet portable build. It supports 50 ohm impedance and maximum power of around 8 watts. There are multiple lenses available, ranging from 33 to 122 centimeters. And it comes with SMA male or female connectors, making it compatible with popular radios like the Bofon UV5R and UV82. The folding design also makes it super easy to carry and store. This antenna is great for outdoor activities like hiking and camping, where better radio range is needed. Amateur radio operators experimenting with dual-band communications, emergency preparedness case as a backup antenna. This antenna offers dual-band support for both VHF and UHF frequencies. It is foldable and highly portable, making it easy to carry around. And with its SMA connector compatibility, it works well with most handheld radios. If you are looking for a lightweight but reliable dual-band antenna, the JFA Tactical Folding Antenna is definitely worth checking out. That's it for today's unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment on what you'd like to see next, and subscribe for more radio gear reviews. See you in next one. 73.